Good day everyone, I will show you how to solve this Punnett square monohybrid cross. So I have a colored eyes. So ano siya guys, brown eyes and blue eyes, dominant, recessive. So mga sa na niya iyang cross B, big letter B and small letter B, X, big letter B and small letter B. So, una pa mag-start guys is mag-draw sa type box. So, ano siya. So, imo na siya mga butang mga alleles like brown eyes, blue eyes. So, ano siya guys. Mga alleles. So, dominant, recessive, dominant, recessive. So, I have a 25% homozygous dominant and I have a 50% heterozygous dominant, and also lastly I have a 25% homozygous recessive. So ang total phenotype niya ay 75% brown eyes and 25% blue eyes. So that's all. Thank you. Good day everyone. I will show you how to solve this Punnett square dihybrid cross. So I have colored eyes and also colored clothing. This brown eyes, blue eyes, and red t-shirt and red short. So before tayo mag-start guys, nasa way ko niyo guys, saan to siya pag-solve kung di tayo magamit og full method. So magamit yung full method guys. So this full method, so tulong ito mo saan siya papan. So this dominant B and dominant R is muna siya na taas. Kaya na taas is diri na siya sa FL diri. And sa second is a dominant B and recessive R, which is kani. And diri naman po sa IL, which is a recessive B and dominant R. This nasa ubos. Yan. And lastly, LL is equals recessive B and recessive R. So as you can see, ngani siyang forma guys. Yan. So ato na siyang siran guys. So this is it. Ngani siya tangan. So I have 9 brown eyes and red t-shirt, and I have 3 brown eyes and red t-shirt, and also I have 3 blue eyes and red short, and lastly I have 1 blue eyes and red short. Thank you.